Hi boys and girls, today you are going to practice writing more letters on your own. So what you are going to do is in your handwriting book or on the pages your teacher has given you, you will practice the letters that you have been asked to practice writing. So on my page I have C and A. So what I did was I wrote the letter as many times as I could on the line, and every time I wrote the letter, I said the name of the letter. So for example, C, 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 C. And I did that all the way down the line. And then when I was done, I went back with a crayon or marker and circled my best C. So that is what you are going to do. You're going to say the letter as you write it each time, and then you're going to go back through and look to find your best letter, and you're going to circle that so your teacher can see it.